Bwcabus is essential for me to get to my job every day.
Oh, I'd be totally lost. I'd be indoors. I wouldn't be able to go shopping.
Because I don't drive, this has given me back my independence.
Bwcabus is a lifeline, definitely.
I think it's fantastic, and all the drivers are so willing and helpful.
I used the Bwcabus to connect from Gorscork to the T1 bus to get me to Carmarthen to my workplace.
Sometimes my hours at work can change fairly last minute and I can change the times accordingly.
It's just a relaxed atmosphere and I don't stress, and it's really nice before work to just be in that environment where, you know, you're just chatting to and fro with the bus drivers. I get the T1 directly from outside my house and it takes me to Bwcabus, and then the Bwcabus collects me from there and takes me on to Llandyssil to the vets. Without Bwcabus I just would not be able to get a placement here and it would really impact on my university degree. It's much more affordable than getting a car and the insurance and tax. It's just a normal bus fare, but it gets me from the doorstep of my house directly to the doorstep of the vet practice. I'm doing veterinary nursing in Harprands University and my placement is in Tussle Vets in Llandyssil, where I just am beginning my training and learning the vital stuff that will help me in this career. I wouldn't be able to get here because there's no service that gets to Llandyssil, so I'd probably have to get placement somewhere else like Aberystwyth, which is obviously far away and it would just be really inconvenient. I think it's an absolutely brilliant service and I know that not just myself benefits from it, loads of people do, and I really honestly would be stuck without this service.
Gan y modi bellach ddim yn gyrru, dwi yn teithio i'r gwaith ar gyfuniad o fysiau ac ar dren. Dwi'n gadael Llandyssil rhyw 7 o'r bore a dwi'n mynd ar gwasanaeth Bwcabus sydd yn wasanaeth gwych. Mae yn cludo fi i Pencader lle dwi'n ymuno gyda'r bws y T1 sydd yn mynd â fi wedyn i'r orsaf yng Nghaerfyrddin. Nid yn unig dwi'n gallu teithio i ngwaith yn Abertawe. A o bryd i gilydd, dwi hefyd yn gofod teithio i Gaerdydd gyda'r ngwaith, neu ambell waith yn bellach hefyd. Ac wrth gwrs, unwaith dwi wedi dal y tren yng Nghaerfyrddin, mae'n caniatáu fi fynd ar rhwydwaith reilffordd unrhyw le ym Mhrydain, wrth gwrs, neu i fynd i'r meysydd awyr i fynd dramor.
Where I live, there's no bus service at all, so if it wasn't for Bwcabus, I would probably have had to retire by now. There's no other way of getting to work. I work in Glangwili Hospital in Carmarthen. I don't drive, so it's my only means of transport to get to the main route to catch the bus into work every day. In the morning, Bwcabus picks me up outside my house, which takes me then to Saron, where I catch the 460 from Cardigan, which is a connection to get me to Carmarthen to work. Bwcabus means to me the difference between having to give up work and carry on working.
A mae'r bwsys eraill wedi gwrthod i fan hyn, a mae Bwcabus yn dod. So dyna di'r bendith ar Bwcabus, a nhw'n dod i fan hyn, a ddaw'r lleithdy. Mae o yn werth y byd.
It's been going, I think, for about 5 years, and it's absolutely professional.
Heb gwasanaeth Bwcabus, byddwn ni ddim yn gallu gwneud dim byd. A mae'n ardderchog o dda, y pobl sydd yn rhedeg lle.
We call ourselves BBC, Bwcabus Club.
Mae o'n neud fi ddefnyddio llai ar y car, sydd yn well i bob ffordd, a mae o'n rhoi rhyddid i fi wneud bob peth yn Llambed mewn yr hyn o amser y bore dydd Iau.
Mae'n caniatáu rhywun fel fi i ganiatáu fyw yng nghefn gwlad i fyw yn rhywle fel Llandyssil, a mae'n caniatáu fi fynd yn ngwaith yn annibynnol. Dwi wrth y modd yn gweithio am Mhrifysgol Cymru Drindod Dewi Sant yn Abertawe, felly mae'r Bwcabus yn caniatáu mi barhau i deithio yn ngwaith yn hollol annibynnol.
I couldn't believe that there was a bus that was actually passing the house, a Bwcabus. I couldn't believe it, but it was true, and we've used it ever since. It's fantastic, it really is.